Okay, this is a video on how to remove a headlight switch reasonably. It's an abbreviated video. I've already removed it, but the main thing you need to see is what's going on under the dash. I put it all back together. Here's the trim plate. The dash goes in between these two items. This tightens down nice and tight. There's a wiring harness plugged in. Mine was in at about on an angle like this. So what you need to do is you got to get this out first. This is the headlight switch. This is the headlight, the pull lever itself. There's a button right here, and if you reach under, you can feel it. Before you do anything, now this is my third or fourth attempt on this video, and it's made a liar out of me. Let's see if I can do this in one shot. Pull it all the way out. Push in just a little bit, and it comes right out. Put it back in. Now, I'm going to do it again. Pull it out, push the button, and then push in just a little bit while pushing the button at the same time, and it comes right out. See? I'm going to do it one more time just to show it's not mad. When you push it all the way in, you'll hear a snap. So, we're going to pull it all the way out. Press the button. The button's not pushing, but you got to push on it. Push in on the switch just a little bit. The button just came down, and it came right out. After you pull it out, now mind you, pretend this is still in the dash. Sometimes you get a screwdriver and a small hammer, or there is a tool, I think, if you want to press on this. Have your hand around back, and when you start twisting, kind of twist on this a little bit, and this comes all the way out. Pull it out, unplug it from the harness, and then install your new one. And then, as I said, you just put the plug back in, put this back in the dash. It's got this little tab right here, which it will be in, and this truck will be sideways, as you can see. Just line that little tab up, and then put the trim back on, and then put your plunger. This is on a 73 to 87. Your 60 to 66 Chevy truck is the same thing. It just has a smaller, tinier little chrome piece. My 63 Valiant, all the 60s Chryslers are the same way, and even the Fords. You've got this button on the bottom. You pull it out, push it in just a little, press the button, push it in a little bit, and then it just comes right out. So hopefully that helps.